How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Keychron M3 mini mouse. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the pointer section, and basically from here you can set different profiles for your DPI. In most cases, you want to set this at 400, 800, 1600, and for the last two, you can set this on your preference. But generally, you want to play with this 3 DPIs right here because most pro players use this. Now for the polling rate, you want to set this to 1000 if you're a casual gamer. But if you move up higher, of course, this will provide with better results, but will consume more battery. So you have to keep that in mind. Now in here, I suggest choosing something like 2000, so it's between 1000 and the higher ends right here. Head over to advanced, and then you want to apply the following. For the lift off distance, you want to set this to 1.0 millimeters. So when we flick or do something similar, it won't jitter or have unnecessary mouse movement. For the ripple effect or the sensor performance, you can customize this to your own preference, but I suggest turning on the motion sync. And for the bounce time, you want to set this to default. So basically, this is going to be the default value right here. And that's it. You're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.